Phillips Medisize, a Molex company, is a leader in integrated end-to-end solutions across a variety of markets. As a contract design and manufacturing organization, we strive to be the preferred company of choice for leading global pharmaceutical customers and to create innovative products that help people around the world live healthier, more productive lives. Specializing in combination products, we deliver life-changing healthcare solutions worldwide. We are leaders in end-to-end drug delivery solutions, including hardware and software design, drug handling, packaging, and logistics. At Phillips Medisize, the work we do matters. Helping doctors perform cardiovascular surgeries, patients better manage illnesses like diabetes, screen for early cancer detection, and so much more. And our work touches more than the medical sphere through innovative regulated consumer products and trusted collaboration across the automotive and defense markets. Thanks to our diverse manufacturing capabilities, we can identify opportunities to design cost-effectively early in the development cycle. We look to provide value by understanding where your needs and how our capabilities can create mutual benefit.
The world is changing rapidly. New devices and technologies are transforming and reinventing our lives. We have seen these changes firsthand because we help to make them. We're Phillips Medisize, a Molex company. We provide contract design and manufacturing solutions to deliver innovative products that achieve exceptional outcomes. Our global network of specialists and cutting-edge facilities will help manage your project from design and development through manufacturing and beyond, with experts in compliance, quality control, assembly and packaging, and supply chain management, all working to ensure your success. It's our goal to understand your needs and act reliably for your business, helping streamline project development and bring new technologies, devices, and products to people in need. In a changing world, this is how we're improving lives and transforming the future. From concept to care, Phillips Medisize is bringing possibilities to life.